Okay, so now what I'm going to do is cut this zucchini in disc. Well, I guess they just want to roll all over the place, huh? I am making fettuccine alfredo, and I'm using portobello mushrooms, asparagus, and spinach. So yeah, I'm going to cook that with the mushrooms for a little while. Then once that's done, I will add the spinach. Okay guys, so now the spinach is added. Okay guys, so I added some seasoning to my vegetables. And guys, these are all fresh vegetables. So this is the sauce that I'm going to use for my fettuccine Alfredo. Well, vegetable fettuccine Alfredo. These are the fettuccine noodles I am using. And the reason why I wanted to show you guys the fettuccine noodles is because I had cooked a vegetable pasta spaghetti dinner in one of my older videos, and someone commented and was like, oh, you didn't use spaghetti. Whatever the case may be, someone commented about the type of pasta I used. Like it was a debate. My whole thing is I can call my food whatever I want to call my food, because I'm the one who work hard for my money to buy my food to cook in my own house. So I can name it and call it whatever I want to. So yeah, guys. Fettuccine all done. It looks so good. Here is the Alfredo sauce with portobello mushrooms, asparagus, and spinach. Protein meal that I am going to make. I have some Dionne sausage, a yellow bell pepper. I have one head of broccoli, and this is what I had left over, so I decided to use it, and 3 zucchini. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is cut this zucchini in disc. Well, I guess they just want to roll all over the place, huh? This is a huge bell pepper. I think I'm going to just use maybe half of it. And guys, even though this is plant-based, I still wash it off. And just let, just turn the vegetables over on the other side so it can cook as well. And I am going to use this vegan cheese. It's really, really good, guys. Guys, so the meal is all done, and this is what it's looking like. So guys, I guess you can call this a high protein, plant-based, low carb meal. And I have broccoli, zucchini, peppers, plant-based sausage, and vegan cheese. Guys, I'm gonna just say, blessed assurance. I can't wait to eat this.